How to log in Sephora Credit Card account online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, search for community.net/Sephora. That's going to take you to this web page. Here you have to select your card. Once you have selected it, click on the option of sign in. Here you first want to enter your username on the first box. Then on the second box, go ahead and enter your password. If you want your details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username/Password. Then on this page, you will have to enter some of your information. Start by entering your account number or username, then enter your zip code or postal code. From this drop-down menu, select the number that you want to enter. Then on the next box, go ahead and enter that. For example, if you selected Social Security number, enter the last 4 digits of your SSN. Now tap on the option of Continue. After that, you will be able to recover your username or reset your password. Once you have entered all the details, tap on the option of Sign In. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Sephora credit card account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.